Today, we will show you the first ever railway engine built in the world, known as the steam engine. These engines have completely disappeared from the world and are no longer found in any country, but the British have preserved them because they are considered a national asset. Here, you can see the very first engine ever made, moving with great grandeur. You can watch how steam is being released, with smoke coming out, creating a mesmerizing sight. It's truly beautiful. Stay with us to watch such videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.